Hey, we are crawling on all fours, and today was supposed to be a dry weather day. We're testing my ProLine 1.9 Super Swamper scale crawler tires with standard foam inserts. In fact, it was my second or third attempt to film this truck, but each time was hindered with wet weather. I'm going to fit these tires with Injora's blue silicone tire inserts for better lateral support and improved side hilling performance. On this truck especially because it weighs a good 8 pounds. And at that weight, it puts a lot of pressure on performance tires with softer rubber, causing them to collapse and fold over on themselves. This is what I was hoping to film on the rocks, but the trees and vegetation held a lot of moisture from an overnight rainstorm, which kept the rocks and trails from drying. Give this video a thumbs up if you own a set of Super Swamper tires, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. The last couple of times I was out here, it had either just rained or it rained as I was filming, so each attempt was just toast, and I was really frustrated. On this particular attempt, I decided to stay out and have some fun. Instead of testing them on dry rocks with tons of grip, I figured it would be just as enjoyable to run my favorite trail, to run the tires in weather I don't normally run them in, and to get some great shots in the meantime. This beginning part of the trail is an approach to the much more rocky and technical sections. My initial expectation on the mixed terrain was that the tires would begin to slip on the wet rocks. In this particular shot, the truck is getting hung up on one of the chassis rails, so it wasn't a matter of low grip or traction. And although the soil was damp, it wasn't soaked, so I didn't have to worry about mud completely caking over the tires. This is certainly early on in the video, but the results were fantastic. These tires performed way beyond my expectations, truly earning their Super Swamper name. Along the trail, I took my time with slow movements because there are some natural depressions, small boulders, and short inclines, so the scale perspectives looked great on camera. I'm running a Hobbywing Quick Run Fusion SE brushless motor, and it was effortless as I took to each obstacle and pulled myself over. Just look how slow this gets. These tires are made with ProLine's G8 rubber compound, performing their best when running in temperatures above 60 degrees. Now, I live in Georgia, so that's typically not a problem as we benefit from a long and warm crawling season. Stick around as we see how well these ProLine 1.9 Super Swamper G8 tires perform in this wet weather. Interco Tire Corporation manufactures the 1-to-1 full-scale Super Swampers, legendary off-road tires for full-size trucks and competition rock crawlers. The TSL acronym stands for 3-stage lugs, which are designed to deliver superior traction through mud, rocks, and loose dirt. This shot is a great example of how the tires grip as the truck transitions from dirt to the rocks, pulling it over onto another area of dirt. Their aggressive horizontal and vertical lug pattern is unmistakable, and they incorporate additional lugs that wrap around the sidewall to protect the tire from punctures and gashes caused by rocks and roots. Now, I'm not sure if that really translates to the smaller scale conditions, but it sure looks awesome, and they certainly provide extra bite when climbing out of ruts or navigating sharp angles, inclines, and cracks. I love this shot. The Interco license allows Proline to duplicate the tire over multiple sizes, scales, and rubber compounds, made to the same exacting standards with uncanny detail and replication down to the letters on the sidewall. From behind the camera, they capture a very high level of realism, giving certain shots the illusion of a full-scale vehicle. These tires made little of this wet incline, and although I moved the camera to a new angle, it didn't take much for this to grab so long as I kept my right tires on the dry patch of dirt and rock that you can see below the large boulder. I've gone over just a few of the reasons why the Super Swampers are some of the most popular RC rock crawling tires in the market, chosen by enthusiasts and competition drivers, and they're certainly one of my favorite upgrades for day-to-day crawling. Be sure to keep watching until the end as we continue crawling on all fours. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to post a comment below and tell us your experience with these tires. I'd love to know which size you're running, especially if it's full scale. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep crawling.